In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to refund a deleted item on Roblox. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. As you might be aware, some items in Roblox can be deleted by their authors, and if you purchase that item using Robux, you might want to have the Robux refunded back to you. So usually, when this happens, you don't have to do anything. The process will be done automatically. However, you need to agree to the terms that Roblox is going to propose to you. So after an item that you've purchased using Robux has been deleted, check your messages. In here, there should be a message from Roblox. So similar to this one, you will see the Roblox icon. It is going to have the name Roblox and the ID @Roblox. Sadly, I don't have a message from Roblox besides this one that I got when I created my account. But the point is, they are going to send you a message asking if you agree to the terms of getting your refund. In that case, you open the message, you check the terms, and you agree. Then they will automatically issue the refund to you. So you just have to wait and eventually you will receive your Robux back. Now, a lot of people report not getting that message even after a couple of days or weeks, or it doesn't work. In that case, the best course of action is to talk to their customer support. So go to roblox.com/support. So go to, on a web browser, either on your phone or your PC, www.roblox.com/support. In here, you input all of your information, so your username, first name, email address, and this is very important because the email address is how they are going to talk to you after you contact the support. You choose the device in which you play on. It doesn't really matter, just choose the one that you play the most on, and now you will have a bunch of options. In here, choose purchases using Robux, then website, item, or inexperienced item. Usually it is going to be website, and then you describe your issue. You are going to have to mention that an item I purchased using Robux was deleted, but I didn't get my Robux back. I would like to get a full refund for the deleted item. Then you send a message, wait for them to reply, and they are going to tell you if they are able to issue the refund to your account. This will be done automatically after they agree. So I hope I was able to help you. If this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us on the channel make higher quality videos. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.